Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another video. I say that like it's a bad thing every time. It might be a bad thing, I don't know. Anyways, we have another review. I haven't got myself clothes in a while. I'm about to get rid of a bunch of my clothes, so I figured let's go shopping a little bit. So I'm here with a bag that's almost bigger than I am, full of SHEIN goodies. We're gonna do a haul and try on. I think I got 9 items: skirt, shirts, belt. Oh my god, and I got a hoodie that I totally forgot about until just now, and I'm feeling with my fingers because the packaging broke open and it is so soft. Oh my god. Oh. This is it. I'm just getting right to it. This is the softest thing I have like ever felt in my life. And that's what I thought was gonna be the best part, was actually that it has bunny ears. Before I get too ahead of myself, I am plus size. I typically wear a women's 2X, American sizing. I got a size 4X just so it's a little oversized and I can snuggle up on the couch in it. And I will be trying everything on momentarily. But here is, it's just a black hoodie with the softest, cutest little bunny ears. Next up we have, okay, so I got these shorts. They're just embroidered with the word angel. They look really comfortable. I need some new comfy shorts, so yeah. I will be putting every number and link to these down below. Some of these I got on sale, so I don't know if they'll be there by the time this gets uploaded, but oh my god, this is so cute. This is like a mesh crop top, split, black and white. I love it. Ooh, it's so pretty. Just put that underneath something, or you can wear it with just whatever you want underneath. We're not gonna judge here. So while I am currently trying to dig out this next one that's stuck, where do you all like to shop? Drop in the comments below. I kind of get stuck on one place and then I'm like, yeah, and I just end up going there. I used to shop at Killstar a lot, but I don't have that kind of Killstar money really anymore. So yeah, anywhere you guys shop, doesn't matter where, especially if it's plus size, let me know in the comments, please. So I saw this and I was like, nah, it totally looks like a vampire coat. It was like 13 bucks or something on sale. I don't know if they'll have them. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I cannot believe this is even like a thing I found on there. I don't know how I did, but I did. Here's the front. It has like a little cutoff part here, so it like covers, you know, the chest, lined with black lace. Is the zipper functioning? Yes, it is actually a functioning zipper. But then it's got this amazing long tail, so it's kind of like a cardigan, but it also reminds me of like Dracula, and I just, oh my god, it's so cool. I cannot wait to try this on. These come so fast too. Like I ordered these like 3 days ago and they're already here. I don't know what all that's about. It usually takes me like forever. So this is supposed to be like a pretty sexy dress. I'm noticing that it's very see-through, so that's probably all it's going to be, is a sexy dress. Oh, it's really cute. Like your boobies sit right here, and then it's actually see-through underneath. I wish I had like a cool sternum tattoo or something. I think I'm getting towards the end already. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to see what is in this Gazappo got, and oh yes. It's a pretty see-through gothic Victorian style blouse. I thought it had buttons and a tie on it, so that's kind of, I don't know what I was looking at in the picture, but I feel like it wasn't this. But it's still super pretty, and I'm probably gonna wear that tonight. I love the neck. Mock neck, is that what it's called? Little ruffly sleeves. Can you believe it? This is something I've been wanting for a long time. I have been wanting one of these chain belts, and I was like, you know what? You're gonna finally get one today. And I did. And I'll probably be wearing it all the time now. So basically it just looks like a choker. However, it is a belt, obviously. Hopefully it fits. Ooh, it's going to fit. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. It's so pretty though. And I think it's just gonna just look right in all the right places, if you know what I mean. So I've been seeing that they have been coming out with a lot of skirts that are kind of like reminiscent of trip style skirts, especially for the 2000s era. I was all about it. I saw this one, you know, they're simple, they're not exactly that, but they're close enough. And I don't have trip money. So yeah, I'm excited to have the skirt. I do have to say too, love that it, the plus size stuff is so nice. Last but not least, I actually know what this is, because this was the whole main reason I ordered. So I'm sure by now a lot of you have seen those sexy double slit skirts all over TikTok, all over everything. I have been dying for a little bit of a confidence boost, so I am hoping when I try this on that it'll give me just that. Oh wait, it's backwards. So yeah, it's got the super high up slits for the leggy legs to peek out of. Ooh, I can't wait to try it on. So honestly, I'm gonna get to that right now and we're gonna try everything on together. And that's gonna be the rest of the video. Also, I apologize, I'm gonna be filming it vertically because I have to film in the corner of my room and that is the only way I'm gonna get full body shots. There is no way in hell that I can do it any other way. This is just not wide enough and my room is not big enough for the wide angle. Enjoy. I'll put some of my artwork or something on the sides and make it a little bit more personable and interesting. That was it. I'm really happy with this haul. Usually I have like a couple things that I'm like, I'm pretty content. I really love everything I got. I got lucky finding some cute like alternative gothy witchy vibe clothes. So if you like this video, please drop a like, make sure to subscribe, you know the drill. Before we end the video, I want to pop in a little preview. I recently launched a bunch of handmade dolls that I make in my Etsy shop. If you're seeing this, I don't know if some of them will be gone that you see right now. Be sure to check them out. I'm going to be adding new dolls as much as I can make them. Just follow my Etsy below for more updates or my Instagram because I will be posting on there as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, it's been a blast.